to the Honorable Chairman Senate of the Pakistan, Sayyid Yusuf Gilani. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Sayyid Yusuf Gilani.
Respected Senator Rohan Sahab, Honorable Senators, Mr. Muhammad Ayub Jamali, Director General Pakistan National Council of the Arts, respected artist Mr. Rumi and Ms. Yemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is both an honor and a personal pleasure to join you this afternoon for an exhibition that celebrates two of the finest treasures of a civilization, Sufism and culture. I congratulate the Pakistan National Council of the Arts for organizing this exhibition. I also commend the artists for choosing a theme and reminds us that our cultural heritage is not confined to museum or history. It is continues to live through contemporary artistic expression and to those who choose to interpret them timeless values for a new generation. Pakistan is fortunate to possess one of the richest Sufi traditions in Muslim world. It is woven into identity of every province. It has shaped our poetry, music, architecture, languages, folklore, and collective consciousness. At a time when societies are increasingly confronted by polarization, intolerance, and division, the teachings of our Sufi saints remain remarkably relevant. They remind us that respect is stronger than hatred. Dialogue is more enduring than confrontation, and coexistence more rewarding than exclusion. As we walk through this exhibition, let us see a reflection of our shared heritage. May we continue to preserve this precious inheritance and pass it on to the future generations. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
स्टेयर्स पे हो जाए
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairman Senate Sayyid Yusuf Gilani, for your inspiring words, your constant image.
Goodbye.